What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Last video we lost to the Green Bay Packers, but today this is the start of the relocations of the Detroit Lions. Let's go. Just city view. London, maybe. Mexico, maybe. Not Toronto. Brooklyn, New York, Might go in New York. I might go in New York, maybe. No, I'm going to London. I feel like London's a great, yeah. That's a media question. You're officially moving over the season. What could I say? It could be from outside. Alright, let's see. Pick the city. Papa Camara. Gotta watch out for that brand. I think this is literally what I want. John Thomas, Dallas Turner, Chop. We have #1 offense, bro. Yeah. I think Marvin Harrison sealed on 3rd. Let's just get our QB, Drake May, higher. See, upgrade players. Brian Thomas Jr. He is not getting a lot of playtime. But I gotta go physical. Maybe we might trade him out for Marvin Harrison this week. Cause like, Marvin Harrison's doing alright, but he isn't like doing good. So. We got Ayuk, we got Pickens, Brian Thomas, and then we got Jesse Shorter, and we got Drake May. We got an X Factor, but it's not really helping that much. Gotta get him running, rolling. It's gotta get more, consistent. You know what? I'm gonna take ankle breaker off because we haven't activated it at all this season. think first one's free. Or just. I don't think. Right. Oh, man, weekly awards. Let's see. Singleton. Nobody. Whitehead. Yeah, that's it. Those are doing around the league. We're first in passing yards, but only 5 touchdowns. We're not up there. Brandon Ayuk is first receiving leader. Yeah, nobody there. Nobody there. Only 2. Try to play more aggressive, like Devonta Smith. Like, we know this team. We just gotta know how to stop them.
Is there any risk we should be aware of? Hell yeah, y'all see a group of niggas, let me know. Actually?
At Brandsmart USA, buying online is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, visit brandsmartusa.com.
Is our life in risk right now? Hell yeah, they are. Blow this down. Now keep in mind, at this point, I'm thinking Molly is playing it up for the camera, and this is
today from Ford Field in Detroit. It's week 5 of the NFL on EA Sports. It's the Detroit Lions taking on the Carolina Panthers.
First opened in 2002, there's a look inside Ford Field here in downtown Detroit, the Motor City. Today we've got a Week 5 matchup in store.
Let's go, boys.
As it'll be the Carolina Panthers taking on the Detroit Lions. From a couple yards deep, he'll bring it out of the end zone. And ultimately cannot get this out to the 25-yard line as he's dropped at the 23. So here are the Lions now coming out for their opening drive. And they will be led out by a guy certainly still trying to prove himself.
22 picks is not good, bro.
And he's playing at a very high level here in this early part of the season. In fact, he leads the NFL in passing yards. Now, that's not always an indicator of success, but in his case, it is.
Trayvon Justin Simmons. We just cannot be throwing it deep because.
Now here's the former Panther, had some great years with him. It's Christian McCaffrey.
Nice.
And he'll take it forward for about 5 up to the 28-yard line. The numbers for McCaffrey last week. 13 carries, 63 yards.
It's a pretty mediocre week for him on the ground. Certainly a boon to his offense if he can get a little more output out of his touches this week. He should get some more early carries as his team tries to get him into a rhythm.
First run now for Kyron Williams. And he'll take this ahead for about 4. Second down coming up.
Yeah, Kyron. Kyron's been doing okay, too.
They'll look to throw.
Nice. Pass interference. Hold it. Bro.
So apparently some grabbing of the jersey there on the O-line.
Yeah, just look in the interior, and that's where the penalty occurred.
McCaffrey following and hit.
And he fumbled, of course.
He lost the football. it's loose. And it's picked up by the Panthers. And he takes it into the
Tell me he was
end
down,
zone.
please,
It's a
please tell me
fumble
he was down.
recovery and a touchdown for the Panthers.
Of course he was never down, like,
For the
bro.
point after. And this will be good to give the Panthers a 7-0 lead. The scoop and score, always an exciting play in football, and we witnessed it there, grabbing it off the ground and then rumbling it into the end zone for 6.
Nice.
Good starting field position. He'll get this one all the way up to about the 35-yard line. The Detroit offense.
There's something trust on, bro, because, like,
They start the drive off and right
like,
away,
bro.
football. And it's picked up by the Panthers. And they take possession of the
Come on, bro. Like, how do you keep freaking fumbling?
This defense, Charles, very opportunistic here early.
Like, dang.
Second fumble recovery in this first quarter of play.
Yeah, you mentioned the right word, opportunistic and aggressive, because once they got the first fumble recovery, they were eager to get a second one, and sometimes they just come in bunches. On the flip side, they've got to figure out how to hold the ball because the play calls seem to be okay. They're just not executing.
After the loss to start out, here's 2nd and 11. Here's Burrow setting up to throw it. They'll set up the screen down to Kamara.
Like, bro, I swear, how, bro? Everybody else be doing that, but Christian McCaffrey can't. Like,
Because this is an obvious passing situation, but instead they fooled them a little bit with the screen, and they wound up getting back what they lost, and then a little bit more.
He's got his running back
like, yo.
and he's taken.
Oh my gosh, bro. Ah.
They're able to convert on 3rd down, and that sets up a 1st and goal. Burrow looking to pass.
Thank you.
Gets there and he goes down just inside the 20 at the 19. First down, a bit of a disaster, and now on 2nd and goal, back even further. Now it's Burrow. That's to his running back. It's Alvin Kamara. And they can't bring him.
Oh like, bro. Oh, no. Oh my God.
Career touchdown number 75. And the Panthers have taken a 2-touchdown lead now. Oh, this is blocked. This is going the other way. But he will not be able to bring this one back, and the extra point attempt unsuccessful.
Come on, bro.
Well, there's a blocked extra point. I remember playing, and we had one of those go against us. I remember our kicker and our holder told the head coach, just relax, coach. Why are you yelling? Don't worry, it's just 1 point. Oh, my. Those coaches see a point is gold to them because you never know how it's going to
Yeah, I don't think we'll be running it.
Exactly. That's why I was just going to say first quarter. We'll see if this has any implications as the game goes on.
I still can't believe they told the head coach to relax. Whoa.
Bad move.
Like,
Tries to force it in, and it's intercepted. Picked up by Caleb Farley.
picks it. Oh my God.
Pick 6 for a Panther touchdown.
The count. No, I'm not doing this,
Extra
bro.
point try now for Succop. He missed one earlier, remember, but this time he gets it to go. So the defense creating some points.
One more time, bro. Like, if we freaking fumble, bro, man, but
And he'll be tackled just shy of the 25. The Lions offense ready to kick off their next drive. They find themselves in a good-sized hole here, and a good-sized hole early on in this game as they come up on 1st down. And he is swallowed up right at the line of scrimmage. He's got his big tight end. Oh, bottled up. Fumble. It's out. It's loose. And it's picked up by the Panthers. And his guys are going to take over at the 21-yard line. So holding on the offense, they go ahead and decline the penalty, and the ball will change hands on the fumble recovery. Kamara up the middle, and nothing much materializing there on the 1st down run. He'll get a couple, and that's it. 2nd down and 8. Now it's Burrow. This is caught. Touchdown, Panthers.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna destroy this episode. We're always losing by 60, bro.
Understandably so. Not only did they get the win, but boy, their offense was on fire in this ball game.
And partner, I have no idea what the top speed is on one of those high-end sports cars. What's the top gear you can get into? This offense, they certainly were there in this one, huh? Everything clicking for them in this contest, the kind of performance that they're going to cherish.
That'll be it for this episode, guys. See y'all on the next one. Peace.